seeking the forgiveness of Allah, because it is one of the best ways of preparing for the day that you are going to return to Allah. When a believer seeks forgiveness of Allah, he or she is convinced within his or her heart that Allah has heard. And Allah sees my sincerity and knows it. And Allah will forgive me and has forgiven me. And I will not let Shaitan come and make me doubt the mercy and forgiveness of Allah. Because at times, like I said, because of human nature, when we falter, we seek the forgiveness of Allah. And we know that Shaitan had trapped us, but Shaitan comes back to us after we sought forgiveness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he makes us think for a moment that, no man, what you did is a little bit too big for Allah to forgive. It was very, very bad. You know, yesterday someone sent me an email telling me that they actually went forth to do some black magic on someone else. And they say, but I pray and I do this, and I learned that that is actually association of partnership with Allah. If you do that, the hadith says, man sahara faqad ashrak. Whoever does magic actually has associated partnership with Allah or involved in shirk. So now that I know it was so bad, and by the way, what is it? You know, to grab a doll and throw pins in it and put these little pieces of hair or whatever else, or parts of the body, or nails, fingernails and so on, and to tie these strings and to blow in them and on them and to pull it this way and that way. All of that with the intention of magic is magic. All of that is actually evil. And that's what's being spoken about. If you read the last two surahs of the Quran, the one where Allah Almighty speaks about in Surah Al-Falaq, He says, قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. I'm going to leave it to you.